Good morning, children. Namaste. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe, staying at home. Last Friday, on behalf of Nature Conservation Day, I have shown how to sow the seeds. Now, my seeds have grown into leaves and plant. Do you want to see them? Yes. Look here, children, how the methi seeds have grown into methi leaves, and these have grown into plants. Yes. Hope your seeds are also have grown. These methi leaves are good for our health, right? You want to know their benefits? Yes, they are good for our heart. They are good for digestive system, and they have more nutritious values. So try to take them in your regular diet, children. Now, children, I just want to ask you a few questions. Okay, who is our mother?
Nature.
Oh, you know that nature is our mother.
Yes.
Oh, we learn many things from our mother. What does nature consist of?
Many trees, birds, insects, animals, sky, water, fire, etc.
Very good, very good. Okay, I just want to discuss about trees now. Have you ever seen the forest? Yes, children.
Yes.
Oh, you have seen the forest. What will be there in the forest?
Many trees and animals.
Very good. Many trees and animals. Now, my question is, who might have planted the trees in the forest?
The people living near the forest.
No, children, you are mistaken. It's not the people living near the forest. They are. Shall I reveal?
Yes.
You want to know the answer for this question?
Yes.
They are birds, animals, and wind have planted the trees in the forest.
Oh my god, how can wind, animals, and birds plant the trees in the forest?
Yes, yes.
Can you tell me the answer, teacher?
Sure. Shall we? Shall we discuss about all these in the coming slides?
Okay.
As I already told that animals, birds and wind will plant the seeds in the forest. Shall we see how?
Yes.
Oh, look at this first picture, children. It is a coconut floating in the water. Yes, and go on floating, and at one point it finds some soil, and it sticks there, and it sprouts there, and it becomes a tree. Is it doing by itself?
No.
Then how it is doing it? It is just done coincidentally, means unknowingly it is doing this. And see the second picture. What is that?
Dandelion.
They are dandelion seeds, and wind is blowing the seeds. Are there anyone to blow that? No. Who is blowing then? The wind is blowing, and that wind carries these seeds, and it will be falling here and there, and they grow there. Then who is this? Who is doing this? Wind is doing this. Yes? Yes, that is also happening coincidentally, means unknowingly they are doing. Now, look at this picture, children. First one, what is there?
And tiger.
Yes, these are having fur on their skin, right? And that fur will be having some seeds attached to them, and While roaming these animals, the seeds may fall on the land, and when it rains, the seeds get sprouted and grow into trees. And even the same with the case of deers also. They also have fur, and many more animals will have fur, and seeds get attached to that fur, and when they travel from one place to other in the forest, unknowingly these animals helps to plant the seeds. Isn't it interesting, children? Now look at these pictures, children. What are these? They are birds. Yes. When they carry seeds to feed their birdlings, right? They carry seeds, they carry some sprouts, even they carry some nuts. While they are carrying, some seeds may fall down, and even these birds also help to plant the seeds unknowingly. Yes, this is the reason how birds help to plant the seeds in the forest. Now look at these pictures, children. What is monkey doing here? It is eating papaya, right? Yes. And it will throw away the seeds. Yes. So that also gets sprouted when it rains, and after many years it grows into a tree. In the same way, monkey eats mango. Yes, and monkey eats pomegranate. Monkey eats many other fruits which have seeds, and it will throw away some seeds, and they get sprouted and they grow into trees. And elephant also, some seeds get stuck in their skin, and while they move from one place to other place, they may fall on the soil, and they grow into plants and trees. In the same way, many animals shit here and there, which are also helpful for the plants to grow. Yes, children? Yes. Now, look at this picture, children. What is it telling? Yes, it is telling to plant more trees, because humans are also part of nature. You know that, children? Humans are also part of this nature. Yes, nowadays the pollution has been reduced, you know. Why? Due to lockdown. Yes. Why they kept lockdown? Why the government has announced a lockdown again? In order to balance the population on the earth, in order to reduce the spread of virus. Yes? Yes, children. As we are also part of Mother Earth. Children, unknowingly, the animals, birds, and wind also are helping to save the nature, right? And we, as humans, we have lot of knowledge, and we have capability of planting the trees. So whenever you have some time and some place, you just try to plant some trees. Okay, children? Which helps to save the nature and reduces the pollution. Now, children, I told not only trees are the part of the nature, birds and animals are also part of the nature. So, whenever you find time, try to feed some birds. You can hang some unused material outside your house and keep some seeds in it. And even you can pour some water in the separate bowl and you can feed those birds. Yes, you take the help of your parents and do this, children. And even to the street dogs, you can feed them. But remember, children, you should take care of yourself, and your parents should accompany you, right? Yes, remember this. And we should never tease the animals. Any animal, we should never tease those animals. Okay, children, remember all this. I hope you will do this. Okay, children, I expect you to follow these. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you, children.